Hello, hello, good morning. So I did make this video yesterday when the moon was closer to Mercury, but wowzies, did I start running around like a crazy Gemini Mercury yesterday, doing a little bit of 20 different things. And I never got the video up. But anyway, yesterday was Moon conjunct Mercury, which is a very busy day. It's very mercurial, very Geminian, Gemini-like. It is about quick changes and tricks of the mind. So I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of people just skirted around a lot of things yesterday and didn't get really what they wanted completed, but sort of had one of those days where everything else kept coming up. That's a very mercurial-like day. So moon was closer to Mercury yesterday. It was right with Mercury. Now it's moved away from 8 degrees. That was starting exactly yesterday morning, about 6 a.m. Or yesterday evening at 6 p.m. if you're on the other side of the Earth. Now you can see the moon is 8 degrees past Mercury, so some people will still call that a conjunction, and you still will notice it, but it's just not as strong as yesterday, where yesterday is just ideas pop in, you go do it, and you're not getting the thing you might have wanted to work on done. So Libra moon is compared to the sign before it, Virgo, they're very different. Libra is luxurious, relaxing. Once you have everything in order from Virgo, it's time to chill and sit back and look at the beauty of the work that is done. So compared to Virgo, Libras can seem a bit lazy sometimes. And I don't want to say it's just Virgo is some clean freak or anything, because they're really not. I do know a lot of Virgo slobs. If you have Virgo and something's affecting it, like Gemini or Libra, you can be a little bit lazy and more on the side of just relaxing and taking it easy and enjoying your possessions and enjoying your comforts. Whereas Virgo was high strung about organizing and getting all the details and getting everything prepared and harvested. And the Virgo month is still like that. We're still in Virgo sun for a whole month. But the moon quickly moves in 2.5 days per sign. So a few days ago was the Virgo, where everyone was rushing. It's the Virgo moon. Everyone's getting their lists organized and thinking about what they're going to do. They're going to organize everything. And now today is more of just relax. And so was yesterday. Although it's hard to relax when the moon in Libra is by Mercury. So sometimes when the moon is in Libra, there won't be this Mercury Libra. This last one yesterday and today is making it more busy and buzzy, because that's what Mercury does. It's very quick. Moving on to the next thing. It's a very Gemini feel to it. And the moon still does have a very Geminian-like feel to it. Yesterday they were opposite to Jupiter. You'll still see that Mercury is opposite to Jupiter, and it's not exact yet. So this moon in Libra, quick, lasts a few days, 2.5 days. We're on day 2. But the Mercury opposite Jupiter is going to last many more days. So this whole week we can call is a Mercury opposite Jupiter week. And this is the great exchange of information. This is the student to the master. So there's a lot of student to master connections going on right now, and master to student. And remember, Mercury is the little bits of information here and there and here and there and here. And what they accumulate to is Jupiter. So Jupiter is like the mature expression of Mercury. In this way, they have the accumulated information, the experience. One day we'll all be rich. Rich in experience. That's Jupiter. Jupiter is rich in experience. It takes all of this Mercury and it's used it. it said, I wonder if that's true, what Mercury showed me. I'm going to test it. Yes, it is. I know it's true. I've done it 10 times now. I've done it to this person and this person. And now I am secure that it's true. That's Jupiter. So we have a lot of this student and professor, student and master relationship going on right now. And remember, the opposition, when it's Jupiter, even if it's an opposition or a square, when it's Jupiter, we don't tend to see those as too negative overall, because it is Jupiter, the joy bringer, that's in the aspect. So it tends to be just more of those life lesson sort of feels. Now, what do we see with Mars? Mercury is trine Mars. We have Mercury and Mars in the same element. Gemini and Libra are both air, so they're getting along great. Mercury and Mars, so ideas and our drive to do them, all getting along well. So this Libra moon was really about touching ideas to the professor and to your drive. What ideas can you bounce off and have, somebody encourage you with, and then go out and do? That's a good theme for the moon right now, yesterday and today. Ideas, bouncing them off of more experienced people, and knowing your drive and what you can get done with your drive. That's the sextile with Mars and Jupiter. And we have that working this week too with Mercury. That is a lot of ideas that are great, and working on them. I think I might get my solar furnaces done. I really want those solar furnaces. I'm definitely getting those done. All right. If any of you haven't heard of them yet, look up DIY solar furnace. Unless you live somewhere where there's no sun in the winter. Then I'm sorry, but these do work really well in the winter, in the daytime, for free heat. So I'm gonna try to rig some up. Alrighty. Well, you guys stay safe out there. We do have other interesting aspects going on, but I'm not going to make this too in-depth. I just really wanted to talk about Libra moon for a bit, so relax and enjoy the love in your life and the equal partnership of others. This is Libra. And the equal partnership you have with others may find you someone experienced to help you work with your drive on these ideas.